This is Xinfa automatic servo control edge banding machines.
Stable and reliable is definitely your first choice. This machine is with complete functions that satisfies various processing needs. There are two changeable glue pots that you can switch to colors of glue. Generally, manual adjustment is time-consuming and costly, and most importantly, there will be errors. However, with these servo motors, it only takes 5 seconds to change. There are 10 servo motors that can easily achieve automatic adjustments for different thicknesses of band.